Hey guys, so in this video, we'll be having a how-to tutorial of how to duplicate Quicksilver in No Man's Sky on your device, and welcome to Tutorials by David. Hello guys, so duplicating Quicksilver in No Man's Sky is a popular workaround for players who want exclusive item without grinding mission for weeks. So the most common method uses the game save system. First, you want to make sure you have some Quicksilver in your inventory, then visit the space Anomaly and buy any Quicksilver item you can afford. So of course, this is also based on here, but here is the step-by-step guide. You want to go to Anomaly, just like I said. Then after the purchase, immediately create a restore point, which is this one. Then when you load back in, the item you bought remains unlocked in the Quicksilver shop, but your Quicksilver balance is restored, effectively duplicating its value. This method works best when done carefully and may be patched in future updates. So use it responsibly and always back up your save before trying it.